everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I'll be sharing with you a pineapple sago pudding recipe. This pudding is very simple and it's very tasty. Actually, this is my old pudding recipe and I've made this pudding for my family and friends many times and they all loved it, so I thought I'll share with you all as well. We need only 4 ingredients to make this dessert. I've taken pineapple 3 cups which I have cut into small pieces. Half cup of sago or tapioca pearls or strawberry, then 3 cups of milk and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. First step, you need to wash the sago and you need to add 2 cups of normal water to this half cup of sago and let it soak for 30 minutes. So we have kept our sago for soaking for 30 minutes. While that's soaking, we'll go ahead and cook the pineapple. So now I have added this pineapple to my pan and I'm going to cook this on medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. My pineapple is really sweet, that's the reason why I'm not adding any sugar to the pineapple. But if you feel your pineapple is not sweet enough, you have to add 2 or 3 tablespoons of sugar and cook the pineapple. So now the pineapple has been cooked well. It's been almost 7 minutes now and this is good enough for me. I'm going to off the stove and allow this to cool completely. So now let's cook our soaked sago with an extra cup of water. So total I've used 3 cups of water here, okay? Alright, so we have enough water in sago right now. So I'm going to cover this and cook for 10 minutes. Make sure to stir this occasionally because we don't want this to stick to the bottom of our pan. Now we can see the mixture is thick now and the sago is cooked to 80%. And now let's add our milk. I'm using whole milk here, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Now stir continuously because we don't want this to get burned or stick to the bottom of the pan. So our milk has boiled and the sago has turned translucent. That means it's cooked well. So it's almost done. So now I'm going to add the condensed milk. Here I have added 1 can of condensed milk. 1 can is 14 ounces, which is almost 1 3/4 cup of condensed milk. But if you don't want to add condensed milk, you can add sugar. But I feel condensed milk tastes better. So we'll let everything boil together for 1 more minute and now I'm going to off the stove and allow this to cool completely. I prefer to cool down the pineapple and the milk mixture before we add them together because the sourness of the fruit can curdle the milk, which we don't want, right? Now I'm going to add the pineapple to this and mix everything together. For this pudding to taste better, I suggest you to refrigerate this in an airtight container for 2 to 3 hours and then you serve. By the way, if you want your pudding to be really thick consistency, you can add up to 1 cup of sago, no problem. But for me, I prefer a little loose consistency. That is the reason why I'm adding only half cup of sago here. In the same way, if you want to add more pineapples, you can add more pineapple. But I'm just showing you how I make this pudding, okay? I'm decorating this pudding with some pineapple jello which I had in my fridge. That is totally optional, it's not going to affect the taste of the pudding. Hope you will make and enjoy this pudding. Please subscribe to our channel Win Cuisines. I'll be back with another great recipe. Until then, take care. God bless.